choices are made.
Meeting for calling this. President Zelensky clearly deciding to continue to wear what he has worn during the entire course of this war. No formal suit for him and tie. And for those of us who have met him in person, this is not a surprise. I've been told by that source close to the president that he is here in the U.S. but will leave very soon after. Obviously not giving away any travel details, but does not plan to stay here in the U.S. for very long at all. He wants to get back to Ukraine and back to the work at home. Let's listen.